Hi, I'm Andrea of By Andrea Jansen, and today I'm going to prepare poached pears. And poached pears is really delicious to eat with ice cream or another dessert. And I make them like my granny used to make them. And it's really a very easy recipe. So let's start. I'll show you. See, my poached pears are ready, and they're beautiful glossy on the outside but still beautiful white on the inside. I'm going to serve these tonight with a scoop of ice cream, I think, and this recipe is enough for 4 pears, but if you're in need for more, you can go to my website. It's got a great feature which will do the calculation for you, and I will put this aside to serve tonight. Bye! Thank you for watching this video. The full recipe can be found in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on this video. At my blog and at my channel you can find over 100 delicious recipes that are all easy to prepare. And with one thing in mind, it's a good taste. Bye!